let's just say 50 people bought the product from one freaking video that took 12 minutes. That's literally $2,000 in 12 minutes worth of work, right?
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat. All my dogs peace.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make money on Google. So let's go ahead and step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop, and this method is absolutely free. You can be a complete beginner and have $0 to your name and leverage the same exact step-by-step process, 5 easy steps on how to make money on Google. Now, the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and have to do if we go to the sheet here is we're gonna go ahead and actually find an affiliate offer. What is an affiliate offer? An affiliate offer is a product that somebody else created and you're able to become an affiliate and basically go on an affiliate network like clickbank.com, like maxbounty.com, like jvzoo.com. I will leave these websites in the resources section down below. Basically, I'll leave those websites down below just in case you guys forget, in the description below in the resources section. But what you're going to do is you're going to go on these websites and you're going to go ahead and find a product that somebody else created that you want to go ahead and promote, and they're going to pay you 50 to 75% commissions. To make things easy, we're going to go to clickbank.com and we're going to go ahead and find an offer. Now guys, you guys can use Max Bounty, JVZoo, doesn't matter. Majority of these products are digital products. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and actually pick a category. So sports, right? And I'm going to do the vertical jump training, right? So basically, just to show you guys what this actual product is, if I open it up in a new tab, this is going to be the link that I'm actually going to be promoting. This is where people are going to be sent to. When I send people to this page, they're going to get access to this video. This video is going to explain to them how they can go ahead and learn the secrets that the world's #1 dunker is using to increase their vertical leap. The best products, right? You're probably thinking, well, how do I choose a product, right? The best way to choose a product is identify if it solves a problem, #1. #2 is you want to make sure that it has a pretty decent commission structure. So if I go back to this and I press promote here, I want to make sure they're paying me enough commission. So I'm not going to promote anything that's paying 20%, 30% commissions. This one's paying 75% commissions, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put my account nickname. I'm going to generate a hop link, and boom, we're done with step #1. I'm going to be able to earn up to $41 per sale simply by getting people who are interested in improving their vertical to this link right here. So step #2 is grab a bit.ly link. So I'm going to go to bit.ly.com, and when I go to bit.ly.com, it's going to go ahead and allow me to shorten this link and make it a lot more attractive instead of promoting this ugly affiliate link that they gave me. So I'm going to go ahead and press create, and if I go to posting that link is going to go ahead and allow me to actually customize it. So I'm going to say jump super high, right? I want my link to be congruent with whatever it is as far as the product that I'm selling. So instead of clicking on this ugly link right here, when I send traffic, they're gonna click this link that says jump super high. So they'll be more likely to actually click it. It's gonna increase the amount of people who see your sales video, and after they watch this sales video, and there's going to be a button that appears at the bottom. Once they click that button, they're gonna go to the order page. Once they make a purchase, you're gonna go ahead and get paid $40. So the next step is we wanna go ahead and find a successful blog post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search on Google. This is where Google comes in. I'm going to search on Google for successful blogs around specific keywords. So for example, somebody who's trying to solve this problem, what are they going to go ahead and search? They're going to search how to jump higher. How to jump higher. So I'm going to find the best blogs, right? So jump higher. So here's a YouTube video, but I'm not going to do that. So how to jump higher, 5 exercises to improve your vertical, right? So how to jump higher, 5 exercises to improve your vertical. What you can do is you can go ahead and actually go through this content here, but it's going to say step 1, step 2, step 3, how to measure your jump. So instead, guys, I'm not going to go through all that extra bull crap. I'm just going to go ahead and do the jump higher with these 5 exercises. So I'm going to do the depth jump. I'm going to do the medicine ball broad jump, how to the back squat, the rear foot elevated split squat, and then the power high pull. Now, instead of going into like all this extra crap on this blog, I'm literally just going to take out those 5 key points, like those 5 exercises, and then I'm going to go ahead and leverage this same exact title because obviously it's ranked on Google, so chances are I can go ahead and rank this on YouTube. So we have how to jump higher step by step, 1.2 million. So how to, and it says jump higher, 5 simple exercises to improve your vertical today. So 5 exercises to improve your vertical. So they literally are doing what we did. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and create a video. Now there's 2 types of videos we can create, guys. The first type of video we can create is actually us recording ourselves in the like just actually doing the exercises or whatever it is that the blog is talking about doing. We can show a visual representation, that's step number 1. Or step number 2 is we can create a slideshow, a PowerPoint slideshow, and we can do a voiceover. For example, this is my mic. You don't even need a mic. You guys can literally just use your computer audio and record a PowerPoint, right? And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and recreate that blog post. And if you notice, guys, literally that same piece of content was created by somebody else 2 months ago and has 46,000 views. So imagine if 1% of 1% of these people, which would be about around 46 people, actually bought this product. Let's do the math here, guys. 46, I'm just gonna say 50 just to round numbers, right? 40, so the product is selling at $40 times, let's just say 50 people bought the product from one freaking video that took 12 minutes. That's literally $2,000 in 12 minutes worth of work, right? So how are we gonna go ahead? First, we're gonna go to model the content. So you wanna model the thumbnail. So you're gonna find the successful blog post, you're gonna swipe that content, and then you're gonna go ahead and actually create content and then model thumbnails of successful videos in that category, model the title, and then what you wanna do is you just wanna go and swipe the content and then create it either recording yourself or recording a PowerPoint. And then once you create it, right, you're gonna wanna redirect that traffic. So if I go onto YouTube, right, and I click this button right here, so if I go to, right, if I go to show more, if I look at the link in his description, he has get your free instant vertical guide. So he's promoting a link right here. He's promoting his own products, but what you can do instead of promoting your own products, right, we don't want to create our own products. We don't want to go through all that hassle. So what we're going to do is we're literally just going to go ahead and promote this Bitly link. So we're going to go ahead and create similar content, and we're going to go ahead and redirect them to this link. So we're going to put this link in the description instead of that. And then, guys, the key to making this work is consistency. It only takes for one video to pop. If you only do this one time and expect to get rich quick, this isn't for you. But if you're willing to put maybe a video per week, a video every three days, so on and so forth, guys, there are limitless amount of blog posts that you guys can find out there, and swipe the content and literally just recreate the video like this, how I'm recording right this. If you're actually passionate about the niche and want to build a brand, a personal brand around the niche, you guys can record videos like this. If you don't want to have a personal brand, you just want to go ahead and monetize it, just create PowerPoint slides and go ahead and do a voiceover, screen record, just like I'm screen recording right now, and just do a voiceover, and don't have this freaking video right here. Just literally go ahead and screen record and show people how to actually do these things. When you show people how to do these things, then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put a link in the description, and you're going to redirect people to that link in the description. So with that being said, hopefully you guys gain value from that. If you guys want access to all those resources that I was talking about, there will be resources in the description. And with that being said, my friend, I will see you on the next video. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, hey, I want to learn from this guy, then click the link in the description to grab access to my new book, where you can grab it at ericsnewbook.com. Again, that's ericsnewbook.com. Thanks for watching.